Hello and welcome to another episode of Road Tales with Concord Transport. Today we're here at the Hoover Dam. We just picked up this load from the water management, what's it called? Like facility, whatever. This is going to Santa Fe, California, and I just wanted to share this view with you guys. I thought it was so beautiful that that's the last little bit of sun we're gonna have today. So I just wanted to share this view with you. That's it. I'll see you on the next episode of Road Tales here from Boulder City, Nevada, going to Santa Fe, California.